In this lecture, we'll learn how to create media objects. The media object is a flexible component for building repetitive patterns where media is positioned alongside content. We start with creating the wrapping container, which is a div element with the class media. Inside this, we create our image tag with the source being an image from placeholder with the dimensions 40 times 40 pixels. The alt attribute will get the value media object image. Now we just need to create our body container, which is a div element with the class media body. Inside the media body we can put whatever content we want. For this example, we will create an H5 heading element with the text symbol media object left aligned media. And underneath a paragraph with some lorem ipsum text. Let's now see this in the browser. The media object takes up all the available width, so we will resize the viewport to better see the alignment of the image and the media body. To make our media object right aligned, we can simply change the order of the content. We will move our image tag under the media body and have a look in the browser. Before we continue, let's move the image tag back again above the media body. Media objects can be nested, so let's copy all of our code and paste it in at the end of the media body twice. In the browser we can now see 3 media objects where the last 2 are nested inside the first one. Before we continue, we will delete the 2 nested media objects. The media in our media object can be vertically aligned to either the top, center or bottom. In our image tag, we will add the class align self start. Before we see this in the browser, we will duplicate our code twice and change the class to align self center and align self end respectively. Let's now see these 3 examples together in the browser. Since the media object doesn't have many structural requirements, we can also use it in unordered and ordered lists. To see this, we'll turn our 3 media containers into list items. Then we'll wrap all of them in a UL with the class list unstyled. When we look at it in the browser, it will appear in the same way as before, but the structure and semantics are different. To fine-tune our media objects with margin and padding, we can use spacing utilities. See how those are applied in the spacing lecture in the utilities section. We have now learned how to create media objects. Go on and continue with the coding exercises, which will help you learn how to create different kinds of media objects. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to use the responsive utilities.